Welcome to the Tetrion Seal Waterproof how-to video, where we'll show you how it can be used to provide effective protection and sealing power to flat roofing, metal panels, and even vertical surfaces. Tetrion Seal Waterproof is a flexible and abrasion-resistant coating that can move with the material it has been applied to. It also gives excellent protection from water ingress and dampness, and has been specially formulated to resist runs. You'll need to begin by preparing the problem area, removing any dirt, dust, and general debris with any cleaning equipment required. Next, spray the product onto the area to be sealed. Here we are showing you how to seal 2 pieces of roofing felt to stop water ingress. Once the product is dry, it can be tacked down further as shown, and can also be coated afterwards. Here we are using Seal Waterproof to repair a damaged piece of felt roofing. Simply prepare the area to remove any debris and spray the product in short, even strokes. Bear in mind that you may need to build up layers to fill larger cracks, and some areas may need a second coat, for which you should allow between 1 to 2 hours before applying. The colder the temperature of the surface you apply the spray to, the longer it will take to dry. Here we will repair a cracked gutter pipe. Seal Waterproof is ideal for outdoor guttering due to its heavy-duty sealing power and protection. You'll simply need to prepare the problem area, ensuring there is no water in the pipes and that it is free from dirt and debris. Spray the product as required onto the crack. Where possible, try and spray both the inside and outside of the pipe to allow for a stronger grip. Seal Waterproof provides a durable barrier that gives good flexibility over varied temperature changes and bright sunlight, leaving you with leak-free guttering. Once your repair is complete, make sure to invert the can to help clear the nozzle after use. Tetrion Seal Waterproof can also be used for roof insulation and waterproofing areas.
Tetrion, fill, stick, bond.